2D scaling. 2D scaling in computer graphics refers to the process of changing the size of an object in a two-dimensional space. Scaling is achieved by transforming each point in the object using a scaling matrix. Here is an example to demonstrate 2D scaling in computer graphics. Suppose we have a square with the vertices 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, and 3, 1, and we want to scale it by a factor of 2 in both the x and y directions. The steps to perform the scaling would be as follows. Represent the original square by its vertices in a 2D coordinate system. Define the scaling factors in the x and y directions, in this case 2. For each vertex in the square, transform its coordinates using the 2D scaling matrix. X is equal to x asterisk sx. Y is equal to y asterisk sy. Where x, y are the original coordinates of the vertex, x, y are the scaled coordinates, and sx and sy are the scaling factors in the x and y directions, respectively. Plot the scaled square using the updated vertices. Repeat the scaling as many times as desired to achieve the desired effect. In computer graphics, 2D scaling is a fundamental operation that is used in many different applications, including image processing, animation, and user interfaces. The simplicity and versatility of the 2D scaling operation make it an important tool for a wide range of computer graphics applications. Like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.